5 things you can do immediately to build confidence in your actions. There comes a time when the pressure is on. It would be best if you made a decision, but you're afraid to act. There's not a lot of time to figure out the next steps, and you're stalling out because you're suddenly unsure. You're not sure you can even make the right decision, much less act on it. What do? The problem isn't so much what needs to be decided. Instead, when this happens, you need to figure out how to find the confidence to act. But where can you gain unwavering self-belief fast? Give yourself a pep talk. Hey, you've been here before. You've had doubts, made decisions, and in the end, things turned out just fine. Remind yourself of a little previous history where you know you did well. Now use a little logic. If you've done it before, it's clear you can do it again. Choose your companions. Do you have a support system? If those around you are more likely to criticize than cheer you on, walk away. You don't need others running you down right now. Instead, seek out support from someone you know who believes in you and will be encouraging. Give them bonus points if you ask them to help you remember all the good stuff you've done in the past, and they come through for you. Sometimes we need to hear it from someone else. See yourself succeed. Why not try a quick visualization of the outcome? By picturing your success, you'll find it easier to make the decisions to set yourself in motion and will feel better about the potential outcome. Let go of the dreck. Sometimes you need to get all those thoughts and emotions out of the way so you can do what you need to. Quickly grab a sheet of paper or open a file on the computer where you can type. Now write down everything you're feeling right now, especially focusing on worries and fears. Try to explore why you're feeling this way. Be honest and raw, not holding anything back. When finished, tear up the paper or delete the file to let it go. Once you've processed the emotions, you can feel free to settle down to what needs doing. This is the most time-consuming idea on this list, but it's so worthwhile. If you have the time, go for it. Act. Finally, it's so easy to start dithering, especially when you're feeling a time crunch. Don't fall into procrastination or stall out entirely. Instead, realize there comes a time when you need to take the plunge. Trust your instincts and jump right in.